Hi, I'm Glo, and welcome to Glo's Kinder Kitchen. Well, today I'm making some barbecued oven chicken, and I thought I'd share this easy recipe with you guys. The first thing was I didn't have my chicken defrosted in time, so what I did is I defrosted it in some ice water, and it took about an hour and 20 minutes to do that. Now what I'm doing is I went ahead and I blotted dry my other pieces, and I'm going to do that with this. And then what I do is I cut off the excess fat that I don't want, fat and skin that I don't want. And this piece here I just don't really like, so it doesn't look like I want to eat that piece right there. So I'm going to cut that off. So after I do that, I put these in a pan. This is a 9x13 pan. And we're going to be putting seasoning on. I need to wash my hands first though, so I'll be right back. So now that I've got my pieces pretty much patted dry, I'm going to go ahead and put my barbecue seasoning on them. Use whatever barbecue seasoning you have, or you can make yours up. This was on sale a while back, so I couldn't pass it up. It was such a good deal. And it's good. So I've got the seasoning on that side. And then I'm going to turn these. And I did not oil this pan. There we go. And I'm just going to put it on the other side. And then I'm going to let this sit on my counter for 20 minutes to a half an hour. And why I do that is so it kind of comes up to room temperature and the seasoning starts to season through on this before I put it in the oven. It's going to take about an hour to hour and a half. It's probably closer to an hour and a half to cook entirely. And there's 2 steps involved, but we'll get into that in a little bit. But this is one of those dishes that's so easy to do and everybody likes it. We'll be back in a little bit. Well, look at this. This has been sitting on my counter now for about 30 minutes. And the seasoning's getting into it real nicely. The fat and the little pieces of chicken and skin that I had removed, I'm going to be putting that in the freezer so that I can make stock with it. But anyway, I'm going to put this in the oven for probably about 45 minutes or so. And when it starts to brown, that's when we're going to be putting the barbecue sauce on. So I'll see you then.
Bye.
Okay, we just took the chicken out of the oven and it's been about an hour. They were starting to brown. I did baste them once. And look at all the juices that we have in the bottom. And remember, I didn't use any oil or butter with this. And look at all those juices. So I'm going to go ahead and just spoon this over it. I have found using the back of a spoon works real well for this. I'm actually going to put a little bit more on this one. And you use whatever barbecue sauce you guys like. It's your kitchen. You do it the way you want. You know what your family, your friends like best. Mustard barbecue sauce is very good with this as well. So we're going to go ahead and put this back in the oven, probably for, what would you say, about 15-20 minutes. When it starts to brown a little, we're going to pull it out. Because almost at this point, this chicken is pretty much done. But we want this sauce to go on through it as well. It won't dry out at all. So anyway, I'll be back. Hi, well look at this. Look how delicious that looks, you guys.
Looks good.
Yes, yes. So it took about an hour and a half to do. So worth it, you guys. This is just going to be a delicious dinner. And it all started with me not even taking the chicken out of the freezer until around noon. And then I, defrosted it quickly in the ice water. And here we are for dinner. So anyway, I'm going to come back and we're going to taste test this together. See you in a bit. Well, now is the best time. It's the taste test for this barbecued oven chicken. Look at this, you guys. Doesn't that look delicious?
That's great.
And it really does not take any effort at all to make something like this. Yes, it does take time, but your kitchen will smell awesome, and everybody is going to enjoy this. This is a great dish for your family, for your friends. If you have a party, everybody's going to enjoy this. And it really doesn't take much of your effort. So let's go ahead and take a bite.
Or 2 bites.
Look at that, you guys. Doesn't that look delicious?
Does.
A little bit too much for one bite, but Mmm. Oh, you guys. Do you like barbecue chicken? As much as I do. It's one of my favorites, actually. I love it, whether it's on the grill or in the oven. But I gotta tell you, this is delicious. It's super moist. It is just so good. Look at that. If you serve this
Looks good.
to your friends or family, you're going to be asked for recipes for this. And it's so easy to do. It's one of those things you can put in the oven, walk away for a bit, come back, baste, put your barbecue sauce on, and you're done. But anyway, I want to thank you for your time. I really appreciate you checking in on our channel and watching this. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. And I want to thank you for your time. Give me a like, a thumbs up. Let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you later. I hope you have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye, Miss Glow.